Once the articles have been imported, it's time to start reviewing. As you can see, the only default label given to each project is the inclusion-exclusion label. Not to worry, Sysrev gives its users the utmost flexibility in creating label types. To create more labels, simply go to Manage and Label Definitions. Users are able to create a number of label types and an infinite number of labels per project. Users can make Boolean true-false labels, category labels with predefined choices, or string labels, which allow the users to enter any response. Let's create a category label for our Angry Bees project. Let's say I was curious, what were the bees feeling? Angry, sad, happy. I can require that reviewers must answer a question. I can require that reviewers must agree on the specific label given to the article, or else it creates a conflict. And I can also deem a label to be inclusion criteria, which means that the reviewer must select that label for an article to be included. Let's save the label and go back to our review. The review screen shows me my title and abstract, or a full document if the PDFs were uploaded, as well as the two label definitions on the left. Let's say I want to try to include this article, but I say that the bees were happy, which was not my inclusion criteria. Sysrev is going to show me an error or conflict. I can still save this article and move on in case I want to clarify something with my team lead and not waste time, but it will be recorded as a conflict. If I come back later and say that the bees are angry, which was my inclusion criteria, Sysrev no longer shows a conflict. Once I save, I'm automatically given the next article. But first, let me go back to the articles. Just like before, you will see a record of the review on the given article, as well as the specific labels that were ascribed. This information is also immediately shown on the overview dashboard.